ছেষট্টি সালে এই বাড়িটা তৈরি করেছে। বাড়ি তৈরি করেছেন সাফল্যরাম কুন্দন, প্রথম যে মালিক সাফল্যরাম কুন্দন। উনি বাড়িটা তৈরি করেছে 20 বিঘে জায়গা নিয়ে, ভিটেটা বাড়ির ছাদটা 10 বিঘে। বাড়িটা 3 মহলা বাড়ি, 3টে স্টেপে বাড়িটা আছে। সামনে আছে অফিস বিল্ডিং, মাঝখানে রয়েছে।
Our guide is making us tour this Rajbari. Oops, this Rajbari, and we are heading to where the first kitchen was done. Let's see. So this is where they were used to do. That's amazing. This is one amazing place. I hope you guys can see and hear. Oh, wow. Damn good. Cute mirror. So, heading towards the terrace. Oh god. This is very difficult. Still climbing the terrace. I hope I reach it. Finally, I'm here. It's a nice view with a pleasant settling evening. Oh god, Arolomba. I think people on those days used to play football on their terrace, man. How can this be so long? It's a badminton. Oh, by the way, it's a badminton court. You can play badminton here. Okay, so when you visit Itajujana Rajbari, Shondhe Aroti is something which you really need to see to experience something really divine. It's a must watch. Okay, so for this as well, we were really not prepared at all. So to know what is it, please watch the next portion. It's the time to head to dinner. It was a very tiring day. It was a very, very tiring day, I must say. So, heading to dinner. And again, I'm really sorry about this light thing because, you know, the light gets switched off. So, yeah. Dinner is here. So we completed our dinner and we finally heading to the room, and we're gonna take rest and sleep and going to be ready for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm looking forward to day 2 and the last day in this amazing place. So the flute man is here to wake us up, though we were awake before he came. Yes, you guys can hear it. Things are really good here. This is really amazing, which is very different from the city life. It is so good. आज की लास्ट डे खूब सैड. Anything, madam?
I'm also sorry.
Anything, madam?
I'm very happy to stay here.
Madam? अच्छा तीन. Okay. So Mithi is very sleepy, very sleepy. Mama, very sleepy. She's so sleepy. Say hi. I love this rocking chair thing, man. I'm loving it. Waiting for the juice. Waiting for the juice.
Yes, you got
Waiting for the juice. The last moment is going on. Okay. Cheers for the juice. This is a Shiv temple, which is closed and which has the idol of which is the idol of Lord Shiv, and is the only one in India. So it is not worshipped anymore. So checking out. See a beautiful place. We'll be here soon, very soon. We'll try to be here very soon. Like on our way back to Kolkata, on the road we got to experience this amazing scenic beauty through Kashful, as we went there before pujas. Now I remember. So we got to experience this amazing scenic beauty, and this can only be captured through our memories. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. That's it for this travel video of mine, the 2 series video of Itajuna Rajbari. It has been one of the most amazing experiences of mine till date, and I can truly and proudly say that. And one more thing for an information is that we booked a suite for ourselves because we were 2 families, and the authority of that place only had like told us that when you are 2 families, there is no need to take 2 different rooms, so that you can be in a single place. You can take a single suite only. So we have booked this huge suite, and I am really regretting that I cannot give you any sort of suite tour, because we were so excited, so happy, so this, so that. So if you guys like this video of mine, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your views in the comment box about this place, about how you like my video, and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to not miss any update about this series, and please keep waiting.